Okay, so you might be wondering what that penny's doing on my page. You can actually see the tape right here. But today we're going to draw Bob. I don't know why his name's Bob, it's just a random name. We're going to use the same triangular shaped head. And remember that I'm rounding the edges on here, so don't make a strict triangle, but round the edges or the corners of the triangle. If you think about the triangle like this, just sort of cut it off. Then I'm going to draw a really squat body for Bob and really squat legs. Bob's kind of like a dinosaur or a dragon or something. I'm not quite sure what Bob is. Again, I'm going to put the eyes really low on the head. Big eyebrows. You don't have to do big eyebrows. I kind of have big eyebrows myself, so in a way, the big eyebrows represent me. So I'm going to give Bob some horns off the side of his head, and it's just an L shape. You think of an L shape like that, and then rounding off the edges. So he's got horns there, and I'm going to give him some ears up here. Almost like a hippopotamus with horns or antlers. Then I'm going to give him a couple of teeth like this, and a smile like this. Again, very simple shapes. Now here's the thing about Bob. He's got elephant or hippopotamus feet, and he's got very small and short arms. And his feet and his arms don't necessarily match. That's okay. These are imaginary characters. Then I'm going to put a rounded belly on him, as he's kind of a heavy set dude, and give him one of these chest things like an alligator. These are all embellishments. So here's my pencil drawing. Now remember, when you start doing, and I'm going to put him on the beach too, but I'm going to put the horizon line a little bit shorter or lower down. Maybe put the sun out up here in the top. So once again, as I draw this, I want to imagine where things are, what's in front of what. So I'm just going to, if you noticed, I drew this very lightly. You can still see, again, the pencil marks on this character over here. So all I'm doing is I'm applying a little bit more pressure. And since the eyebrows are the things that are the most in front, I've drawn them first. And I'm going to draw his head up over the top like this. He has kind of the same shaped head that Steve does. And you can name your characters whatever you want. I just happen to like these two names. One of my dad's favorite movies is called What About Bob? And so I have Bob on the mind right now. So I'm going to curve his face down around like this. Notice how it comes under his mouth. And I'm going to put the cheek smiley things on here and his two big teeth. Then I'm going to draw out of the side of his head here, I'm going to draw his horns. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. Bob has a tail. So I'm going to draw a tail. I'm going to imagine it coming from right about here where his spine would be, and I'm just going to bring it around like this. Maybe over like that. So notice I'm not going to erase this right here where his foot is, because as I've said repeatedly, I want to see your work, and I want to see that you constructed this. I don't want you to just draw this, I want you to construct it the way that I constructed it. So his tail's going to come around like this and kind of go over this foot. Belly comes around like this. Other foot. Then I'm going to put a couple of little humps on his tail because I guess he's more of a dragon. And notice I'm not super concerned about the fact that I didn't quite get the shapes right. As you're doing this, as you're making these characters, don't worry on the sketch that it's not perfect. Okay? So that's the daily doodle for today. We're going to do the same thing today that we did yesterday with regards to beefing up the lines. But do me a favor and make sure to take a picture of this one first and then trace it over. And I'm going to show you another way of tracing over, or actually the same way but with a different tool that I bought online this past summer. So they're both at the beach, but notice how he's got trunks and he doesn't. Might have to fix that on the next part of the slide, or on the next part of the slide, on the next part of the drawing.